Everyone has step-by-step guide how to install Trust Wallet and create account. First of all, open up your market, Play Market or App Store, then tap on the search bar at the very top, and after that type in here Trust Wallet. Click on it, find here Trust Wallet, just click on install, click on open button. After that click on get started, and here Trust offer you choose create a new wallet or add existing wallet. I don't have wallet and I click on create a new wallet. Create password, okay. And here you can choose backup manually or backup to iCloud. I prefer using backup manually. Okay, trust, saving and write down. Continue. Here you can see your secret phrase. You can click on copy to clipboard. Just click on copy. So now you click on continue. Click on confirm button. So alright. Welcome aboard. Your wallet is now ready to use. Dive in and start your crypto journey. Start secure. Start using Trust Wallet. So you can enable your push notification. Allow. So that's it. Now you can find coins that you want to send or receive or buy or earn, etc. So I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about Trust Wallet.